Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and today I'm here with Pretty Girl 11387. Say hi.
Hi.
I cut into a whole intro.
Yeah, you did.
I always... Ooh, my food's done.
What? Shut up. Put more things on tree.
I'ma beat you at your own game. See? I'ma beat you at your own game.
I don't care what you do.
Okay, I'll put more stuff on my trade.
Yeah, because if you do that when you go in Gemma Township, people are going to be trading for your things. You want that.
Jamma? Town? Shit!
Loki jumping on top of the bird cage.
Trying to kill everyone.
Sorry. I don't think they can hear me.
You all quiet.
Okay. Whatever.
Whatever.
Kane, stop it.
Oh, there's a doggy.
It's a puppy. Okay.
I have black clones I never use.
Put the spike thingy on. The little mini baby spike.
It is. Wait, I thought it was on Spike. On trade.
I thought it was on Spike.
On trade. Oh, you guys should have seen it earlier. This dude or girl came into Pretty Girl's den. By the way, and she started singing lyrics, and I came in interrupting, started singing the lyrics, and I
She's called herself a girl.
I said, I am a grill.
Meant to say girl, but she said girl.
I was typing too fast.
Then you pushed enter.
Yeah, I know. I don't check my walk.
I always check before I write.
I don't. I do. Oh. Okay. You want to trade me? You want to trade me? You want to trade me?
No. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna block you.
No, don't block me.
That's on your trade.
Spikes.
Check out this person. Enter this into the YouTube search bar, and you'll find the most amazing channel ever. Oh my god, this worked out perfectly, Haley.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Sorry.
I found gum.
Why is there gum down there? Weirdo.
Ah, this hurts my head.
Okay.
Did I just click something? Okay.
Why would go into Jamma trade ship?
I can pick it up.
You're stuck. I copied the phone. Let's go into Jamma trade ship.
By the way, guys, as soon as I get 150, that's a lot, subscribers, I'm gonna show my face.
At 100. I'm okay with just 100.
Draft King, go!
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey,
How you
go
doing?
to Jamma trade ship. I'm calling it that because all you do is trade in it.
This person's amazing too, by the way.
No, it's not. I mean, yeah. She's my buddy too.
Come dance with me.
Na 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 na.
Chinma, please.
No, you're not. Yeah, you are.
Yeah, I am.
Like, no, you're not. Yeah, you are. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry that I broke your heart. I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry. Not.
Oh, I'm
That's what I said.
so
so sorry.
sorry. Yeah.
I don't believe you.
Look, Kaylee. I'm level 14.
How did you do that fast?
I'm talking about this thing.
Oh. Oh my god, this person has a party hat. This person actually does have a party. Okay, I believe you. I totally believe you. #1 fan.
By the way, if you guys got any party hats, like spell party hats, onion, and
I'm not saying that. Wow.
hit me up, and I will give it to Pretty Girl.
Just so she can steal all my rares.
Yeah. Me and her have a system.
It's called Steal My Rare System.
Yeah.
It's where she gives me one weak item and I give her all my rares for it.
Yeah. I don't.
Yep.
She knows about the system too, so I don't know why she doesn't stop it. Mostly because she has doubles of everything. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, it's already been 7 minutes.
It doesn't feel like 7 minutes. We just got here. What the heck? Pretty hat on third. You ain't gonna
I want this,
take
but I don't got anything. I'm a buddy the person, so I can beg them later about it. Oh, she's not my body. Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, go.
And my mouth is cooked. In 20 seconds, I should be a level 10 Hosea.
Okay. No, that's enough. Okay.
J-Map, please. I'm just something I love pink.
I love pink.
I love pink.
I hate pink.
Fun fact about me, I hate pink.
I love pink.
Me and her opposite.
I'm joking. I'm in the middle, but they're pink.
Yeah, she's in the middle.
I don't love it, and I don't hate
You may be it.
it. What did you just say? That's all I want. I just want that level of phone. That's all I want. That's what I want. Can you get me to at least that? Jamie is injured. Yeah. I feel so.
She looks so awesome. I'm a girl. Let's breed.
Don't be inappropriate. I'm supposed to be
I'm for sure not family friendly. Fun. Family friendly on my channel. Fundy. Fund. Friendly.
Yeah, whatever she said.
I can't say Smith.
I wonder if they can hear me. I wonder if they can hear me. She's going. Until I get something.
Oh, my sticker came off. Where's my sticky? Oh, yes, pudding.
What?
Pudding. Don't ask about it. Get this. Haley. You had pudding.
Pudding.
Pudding. Pudding.
Does anybody here have red or blue cat ears? No? Okay.
Ah!
Hey, I asked you.
She attacked my hair.
Cool. He's a boy. She is a he.
He is a she?
Excuse me? Sorry.
Kind awful.
No. She wasn't talking
I know. Like, how? Ashley's still on number one.
They probably can't hear the thing. Just being honest. Never mind. I haven't got one.
Do you want me to play on your phone? Too bad.
Let's do something fun.
Wait, what level are you on?
8.
I'm passing you.
I'm almost on 9, but I can't figure out how to get the stars to look.
I do. They're so easy to get.
Go get 'em. I don't even know how I got to level 8.
The reason, look, plants they give you false.
Why haven't I been getting?
You have been.
Why hasn't it been going up? Look at my level. Go look at it.
Trying to find it.
Right there.
Oh, it was right there.
Gee.
Do you want me to do this for you or not?
I don't care. Hey.
Put your hands up.
Hey. And how about we do some fun?
How about what kind of fun?
Fashion.
Okay, I got it. You're done. You're the host.
Okay. We're gonna do a fashion show. Is this recording?
Yep. You're level 9 now. See?
Found a family on Animal Jam. Sorry, I was reading the thing.
Oh! By the way, the video is almost over, so make sure to like and subscribe.
My video is not almost over.
My video is almost over.
What? You don't make like up to 20-minute videos?
I only have 15-minute videos.
Oh. I have as long as I want videos.
I'm gonna sit right here.
Okay, then I guess once you reach 50, you better be ready because you're about to reach 15.
So make sure to like and subscribe and check out Ow, I just hit my funny bone. And make sure to check out Pretty Girl 11387 channel on YouTube. See ya. Bye.